So here I am with Brian from Rindt. Brian's the founder of Rindt. I've been working with Brian for about 6 months now, customer for about 12 months.
Liked
Brian,
it so much.
Liked it so much, I bought into the company.
There used to be an advert about that.
I know. A lot of people viewing that would not remember that advert, which is Remington, by the way.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
So Brian and I get on really well. We're working really hard at the moment. We've got lots of exciting things coming up in the next few months, but we need some more people.
We do.
We can't get it done with what we've got.
So
they're great, but we need more.
We need more in the Rindt team. So we need more auto electrics. We need more engine builders. We need more trimmers. We need more painters. We need more fabricators. We need people to get on board with Rindt. The type of people we're looking for, you might not be the most qualified, but I like people that are positive, go get, can do. So the Rindt ethos, if you like, is it can be done. Might be difficult, but it can be done. So if you feel that you're that type of person that can come in here and add to the team, get in touch because we need you. You could be working on something like this, or this, and we'll show you around the business. But get in touch, we need more staff.